here. That's the corner. And it will result into a corner here. Therefore, there will be some new points that is the result here. Where is now this point? It is here. There. So this will be the line. That will be the same as this. Therefore, that is where you will draw the line. But do not change your drawing. I just said it for purposes of explanation. How about in the isometric? Well, measure. That's the one. See? It's this one. Yan. How about this one? Measure. So you measure that. That's the corner there. Okay, up to there. You connect this one. Then you have that one. You connect that. Oh, by the way, why that should be like that? Huh? Therefore, this is now there. Oh. Okay? So the resulting figure is this one. That's why this is parallel, that one there. Maybe you like the second figure there, we will draw it. Wag na, mag-isip naman kayo. Ganyan na yun, no? Inikot lang ito, tingnan nyo. They are similar figures.
Sir, parang yung isa nandito lang yung... Sir, pero yung dalawang yun, isang page.
Opo, isang papel lang. Para tipid. Ngayon, kung gusto nyo, dalawang papel, wag naman tatlo.
Ito, tsaka ito.
Kasi pag